Hey everybody, it's Brenda, your Queen Bee of RVs, coming to you from the National RV Training Academy with the next round of our series, Decoding RVneese. As the camping season is coming to a close in some areas of the country, RV owners will begin thinking about what to do with their rigs over the winter. And of course, we have more RVneese terms to go along with the preparation process to either continue camping over the winter and or store the camper for a few months while we wait for spring to roll back around. You might have heard some buzzing about the need to get your RV winterized. So what is winterization and why do we do it? Winterization is simply the process of preparing the RV plumbing system for temperatures that drop below freezing. RV owners or their technicians will drain the plumbing lines to the sinks, shower, and toilet, as well as all the related components that use water, including water heater, washing machine, and dishwasher, to keep those pipes and plumbing fittings from freezing and cracking over the winter. The next step is sending that pink, non-toxic antifreeze through the plumbing system to aid in the winterization process. Another RVneese term you might hear during this wintertime conversation are low point drains. These drains aid in the winterization process and are part of the plumbing lines that are pressurized by either the water pump or city water connection, and as the name implies, they're the low point of the system. Lastly, let's talk about trickle chargers. For RV owners that do not continue camping sans water over the winter and opt to store their rig until spring, coach battery maintenance will definitely be on your checklist. In addition to maintaining the water levels in the lead-acid batteries, RV owners can also connect them to a battery tender type charger or a trickle charger, both of which can maintain that battery charge over an extended period of time while not in use. This process can extend the life of the batteries and will have them ready for spring when the weather warms up again. I learned all of this and more at the National RV Training Academy, where I became a certified RV inspector and registered technician, and you can too. Head over to nrvta.com and click on programs to find out more.